Okay, here is the setup for LEE 6-pack, and here what I'm doing, I'm prepping the cases. uh, I'm doing decapping, full size without the capping pin, and then we have the expansion of or straightening the neck actually to what we needed. And finally, I'm flaring it a bit with this case neck expansion from LEE, just enough so the case will have that 110 VMAX bullet can sit easily on top of a Starline um, cases. The caliber is 300 blackout. Of course, I have a case feeder on this one, so I loop the cases and then drop them here. So what they're gonna do is decap only, and then we have a size with no capping, with no decapping pin. Then we have sizing expanding the neck of the case to what I need. Then I'll flare the tip of the case or the mouth of the case just enough so I can seat the 110 VMAX bullet, which are having flat base, not a bolt tail base. Thank you for watching. I hope this will help.